What's up, me fun? Welcome to the 2023 Tainan Beehive Festival. Now, before we commence the exhilarating chaos and the baptism by fire, let's welcome our special guest, 国际吃货 Mana。那这个都是我们的第2次一起拍，上次你带我去高雄，吃得很开心。今天你就要带我去学甲一起吃，为什么呢？
因为呢，一样的阿嬷是住在学甲，所以对我来讲回娘家。
第一菜，第一道，对，今天最主要都是蜂炮，但是我们旅行经过一个地方，当然就要吃得很开心。
这个是虱目鱼沙拉米，对，然后呢，学甲有很多的那个虱目鱼的店，但是呢，我们是这家牌，超级新鲜。
那这个比较特别，因为里面有很多饭。有我沙饼，就是那个没有那个海鲜的味道，还有像你说的很香很 creamy 的感觉，真的是 milk fish。行不行？
完全没有腥味，好好吃，然后有大蒜的味道，
我们现在直接 cut 到下一道菜，这个就是我们的台南大饼开箱 ，Look at this， 这个很大重，这个应该快到1-2公斤，对不对 ？Oh my gosh, this is so big! High five! 哦。好吃啊！
这个是里面有红豆，然后里面的馅太多了吧？你看，想喝水。
2公斤，150块的超美味台南大饼。啊！这个是我的菜。右边怎么了？来，等一下。喂，很高兴认识你们。吃了一点点，已经饱了，因为真的就是很多内馅。
接下来我们要吃饼好了。开门！
拜拜。这个不是玉米，这个是冰淇淋。这个其实蛮好玩。Do you wanna build a snowman？ 一个小小的玉米饼，但是真的没有玉米味。Let's go。哇哦！
对，这个是蛮清爽的味道，我喜欢。
说你可以吃一半，放在口袋，继续逛街。可以吧？哦，没有，有一个巧克力豆，2个、3个、4个。What's up, Doc？ 因为真的是元宵节，很多店关了，很可惜。下一次有机会可以吃得很开心，但是现在就要过去盐水，听说过那边有很多好吃的，再来。Beehive Festival. We just made it here to Yenshui, and here it is. Are you excited?
I'm so nervous right now. It's too hot.
Oh my gosh. We're trying to get through, and it is just number one, you can't see 10 feet ahead of you. And the festivities have just begun. So, 请问一下，我们刚才有买什么？你可以帮我们介绍一下吗？
安全帽，但是这个是很特别哟。
对。
哇，小贝已经有了，有味道。
盐水味。Are you ready? Clear your lungs, because this is now the 2023 Tainan Beehive Festival. 这个是你第一次来。
对。
Mana, are you excited?
I'm so nervous.
Basically, this temple right behind us in 1885, there was this pandemic, this sickness going around, and they asked the war god Guandi here to help them out. They took fireworks that sounds like bees going off, and they went around the whole city to help scare off the sickness and to baptize them in fire. Man, you're gonna have a lot of fun today.
耶！
最强的 ！Oh my gosh， 也有兔子的 power。休息有分。哦，也会充电。惊天动地的一个设计。You've been here 5 times.
Yes.
And you're from Japan. This is what they call the baptism of fire. Let's go. Oh, because it's just started. This is nothing compared to what's going to happen. During the Moon Festival here in Yenshui, when the sun goes down, the bees come out. And so do thousands of people from around the globe ready to experience Taiwanese culture. It's riveting, it's enthusiastic, it's mind-blowing. This is the Beehive Festival. What people live for and come back every single year. This is just the start.
打脚里啊！
感觉怎么样？
越来越胖呢。
Whoa! Was that not crazy?
超级 crazy.
Whoa! No! No! These firework events literally last the entire night, spreading for hours. This is an event for the strong, brave, and courageous. We're waiting for the boat. The boat is one of the most next epic moments of this whole thing. 还有人很多。Yenshui used to be one of the largest ports in Taiwan, so it was just custom to take down the boat. This event is without a doubt one of the most mesmerizing, beautiful, and astonishing things I've ever been able to witness. Something you can literally feel within your soul. So we're trying to get out. There's so many people, and out of nowhere, fireworks. Look at this. They're all on the ground. This is Mana prepping for her next round. Da-dun! Hey! He made it! I told you can do it!
I just love the fact that everyone comes together tonight for this huge traditional Taiwanese festival.
For me, lots of Taiwanese culture is controlled chaos. It's something sporadic, something insane. But there's more to just that. Coming to events like this, if you slow down, you can see the reverence, the love, the dedication that these people have for their own culture. It's moving, it's touching, and it makes me want to become more of it. What is it? What just happened, Wes?
Yeah. I'm not sure that this is the best moment to talk it.
And here I was again, in the middle of the lion's den, being shot to the left and right every single corner with these firecrackers.
Just when you think it's gonna stop, it just keeps going on and on and on and on.
Oh my god! You madman! The Tainan Beehive Festival has been going on for over 100 years. This dangerous event attracts people from all over the world and is also a way for them to remember their great Yenshui history.
Is he going in there?
No way, you know.
Logan, what are you doing, man?
I don't even know what I'm doing! 要开始吗? I've been in Taiwan for 6 years now, and my motto is 入境随俗, to be part of the culture. And this was my first time actually being engulfed, surrounded by the flames of the Taiwanese culture. And it felt absolutely incredible. Oh, that is so hot! That was awesome, though. Talk about adrenaline rush, right? Okay, guys, and that is it. That was the 2023 盐水蜂炮。你觉得怎么样？
哇，太疯狂了！
下个礼拜我就要带他去屏东体验一个一样超有趣的台湾文化。
好期待
对
呢！，
还有今天就是他也有拍一个影片，他的第一次体验这个，还有更多盐水的美食，所以大家请记得订阅起来。Okay, guys, and I think that's about it. We are burnt, we are gassed out, and I think you all know what to say. 喝一杯，
快来一杯！
米浆万岁！